So diehard.
No, I'm not kidding.
I know it is, like punching me out of my own car and then like taking the wheel. It's
more
like
James
fucking
Bond, but
stuntman
whatever.
shit.
I wasn't buckled up for a reason. So I could jump over, take the wheel.
Yeah, but seriously, I did the whole realness thing one time, and at the time it made complete sense.
You almost killed some ducks when you were trying to cross that bridge. too.
Whatever, those things need to die. They're totally overpopulated,
They're
right?
not real.
You weren't real enough for me. Boom, boom.
No, they're just annoying.
Ducks?
Ducks are annoying.
Come on. Seagulls I can see, but ducks? How'd you want to kill a duck?
I don't really want to kill anything, but you know, I have to
Except my buzz.
defend my.
The camera jiggles.
God damn it.
I'm sorry.
Is it number 4? No, it's number 3. No, 4. There you go. Enter scene.
Okay.
Hey, how can you capture it if anyone knows you're there, you know?
Nobody knows.